Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video I'm going to be showing you a general overview of our tool called CRM. So first, CRM means managing the relationship with your customer, and its main focus is to automate the contact with your leads. The goal is to collect information from your current and future leads, analyze the interactions your clients make on your website, and also to anticipate their needs. Once you click on the tool, this is the page that you're going to see, the leads page. You're probably not going to have any leads and probably nothing over here. For your websites to show on the origins list over here, you actually need to enable CRM in them. So we're going to go to the editor and enable the CRM. Once you're in the editor, we're going to go over here to configurations, website settings, and we're going to enable CRM. Once you do that, you can save your website and go back to the CRM. And I just did that to the CRM test. As you guys can see over here, I have a couple leads already. And how this works is you set actions for them to take and gain points with it. So we're going to go over here to origins and steps. And here, as you guys can see, once I go to my CRM test, all the pages from my website are going to be listed over here. Let me just go back to this one because I have more pages. For example, the register page, thank you page, sale, etc. All your pages are going to be over here. And then you can come over here and edit your page, or basically just edit the step. You select the interaction type, page visited, incoming call, click link, all these 4 options over here to choose from. Once you choose one, you can name your step. If you have any previous step, you can select them over here. And of course, the URL that's already going to be over here. That is the page that they're at. You can select how many points they're going to get from this step and if it expires. I didn't put that it expires. Since I didn't put anything, I don't have to select this either. Once you do that, you can also add tags. You can add as many tags as you want. For example, I just added 2 of the same, as you guys can see. You guys can just go with whatever you like. And once you are done adding tags and creating your steps, you can click on update, and then your step will be updated with success. So once someone comes into my website and visits my page, my homepage, they're gonna get 5 points and they're gonna become my lead. So let's go back to the leads page over here. CRM test. This guy visited my page probably 2 times, and I had more steps before. That's why we have 2 and 4 and etc. But I just had different points for different steps. Right now I only have that step over there. If you click over here on this little pencil icon, you can edit the origin name, the origin domain, the origin type. So if it's a website, webinar, funnel, etc., you can edit that over here. And also the boiling between what points. And what the boiling is just, let me just go back to the leads over here. If they're at the boiling point, for example, 50 or 100 points, between 50 and 100 points actually, they're going to get this little fire icon next to them. Once you set it up and you have a couple of leads, you can go to the dashboard and look at our new chart that we have. You can filter it by tags, you can filter it by date. Right now it has a preset of 30 days, so I'm just going to take it back a couple of months just so I can have my leads show. I'm going to update it, and it's going to show something like this. It's just a chart with the rows of the leads and etc. You can zoom in, you can restore, you can do lines, you can do bars, for example. You can reload, and you can also save that information and download it to your computer. On settings, you can see your script settings. So right over here. This is just if you're tracking information without a Builderall website. You can just paste this script information on your script, and it will work just as a Builderall website. You can also add more tags and just custom tags like phones, entities, addresses, and interactions. On the actions by score tab, you can see over here I have this test action that once someone subscribes to my list, that is tutorial list on the CRM test website. So for example, if they put their email on my email marketing form, they're going to be subscribed to my list. They're going to get 15 points. This is how this action by score work. Also on the leads tab, once you click on a lead, you can see, for example, when the tag was assigned, how many points the tag got. Right here I have a lot of tag assigned just because I tested this a lot of times. That's why he has like 10 points, because he got 2 points here, 2 points there when the page visited, and etc. But you can just see the steps that it took for them to get these many points. Once you go through all these tabs, you're pretty much done looking through our CRM app. It's a pretty simple app, pretty cool app to use to track information from your leads. This is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.